Hi friends, do you know what is MRO in Python? So MRO is a method resolution order which is used in multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, when a single class is inherited by multiple class and suppose that multiple classes has one common method, then from which class we have to execute that method, it is determined by MRO. So MRO is an algorithm which searches method in depth first, left to right manner. So let me explain through an example. Suppose here I have one class father, class mother and class son. The class son is inherited from father and mother. So here I have created one instance of class son and I am calling s.show method. So show method is present in father class and mother class. Then from which class it is executed, it is defined by MRO. So MRO searches methods in order of depth first, means it will search in that class only, son class. If it is not present, then it search from left to right. So here left is father, so it will search in father class. If that method is present, then it will execute it. Suppose here if I run that code, then it will run that method from this father class. Let me show to you. See here that father class method is run because it will search from depth first, left to right. If I change this mother in left manner, then it will run that method from mother class. Let me show you. See, if now I run this class, then it will run from mother class. See, mother class method. So MRO is used in multiple inheritance to search from which class we have to execute that method. This is MRO. Thank you.